Hey there, language learners, welcome to our channel, where we help you improve your English skills. Today, we're going to explore a very useful phrasal verb. Get along with someone. Let's dive in. So, what does get along with someone mean? Well, it means to have a good relationship with someone, to be friendly and harmonious. Here are a few examples to help you become more familiar with the phrase get along. I really get along with my colleagues. We have a great team spirit. Or, she gets along well with her neighbors. They often have dinner together. Let us now delve into the grammatical structure of the phrase get along with someone. Grammar-wise, get along with is a phrasal verb that takes an object someone. Let's examine a few usages with examples of the phrasal verb get along with someone. We can use it to describe a good relationship. Like they get along great. They're like best friends. Or, we can use it to describe a bad relationship. Like they don't get along at all. They're always fighting. We can also use to ask about someone's relationship using this phrase. Like, do you get along with your sister? Here are some synonyms and antonyms for the phrasal verb get along with someone. Synonyms include get on with someone, be on good terms with someone, and have a good rapport with someone. Antonyms include not get along with someone, have a bad relationship with someone, and be at odds with someone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning videos. See you in the next video.